Here, on the edge of the Aegean, luxury isn't just seen, it's lived. Where the sea wears a deeper shade of blue, and every sunrise feels like it was painted for you. This is Vogue Supreme Bodrum, a place where days drift between private bays and endless horizons, and nights explode into colour, music, and pure exhilaration. At the heart of it all, Candyland, a dream built in lights and motion, where reality bends, colours dance, and every heartbeat syncs with the night. From the golden glow of Toronaga, to the vibrant pulse of Brise Beach, to the electric magic of Candyland, Vogue Supreme is more than a resort. It's your stage, your escape, your unforgettable chapter on the Aegean.